Good day everyone, today we will show you how we create this improvised TV as an instructional material. This improvised TV showcasing the three types of rocks. These are the steps of how we made it. This is the first thing that you need to do. Find an empty medium-sized box. Because we have now our empty box, the second thing that we do is we bought materials for the design. It depends to you what color do you like. We chose blue and pink for colorful and aesthetic looks. In this juncture, we need to draw a square at the front side of the box, leaving an edge for at least 3 inches in thickness. After outlining the square shape, we need to cut it out. This time, we cover a box with a black colored paper. After that, we put a design just like a traditional TV set. And voila! We almost done with our improvised TV. The exterior design is already done. We will go to the interior design. We create a hole in both upper and lower sides. These holes serves as the pillar of the improvised screen. If everything is done, we will proceed in writing our content. The last thing that we need to do is to roll this content inside our improvised TV. And voila! This is now our improvised TV showcasing the types of rocks.
Good day everyone. So I have here the improvised TV showcasing the types of rocks. So when you hear the word rock, what comes into your mind? Very good. So rock, in geology, rock is any natural occurring solid mass or aggregate in minerals or mineraloid matter. It is categorized by the minerals included, its chemical composition, and the way in which it is formed. So the rocks has categorized in 3 elements: the sedimentary, the igneous rocks, and the metamorphic rock. So we will discuss first the sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the pieces of another existing rock or organic material. So this is the example of sedimentary rock. So let us now proceed to igneous rocks. So what is igneous rocks? Are formed when molten hot material cools and solidifies. So I have here the picture showcasing the example of igneous rock. So this is the example of the igneous rock. And the last element of rock is the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have been changed from their original form by immersed heat or pressure. So I have here the picture showcasing the example of metamorphic rock. So that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching.